How to make an account on System.io. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on System.io. So let's get started. First open a browser and then go to the search bar and here search for System.io. Now go to the first link. Now on the top right corner, here you can see get my free account. Just click on that. Create your free account. Now you need to enter your email and then click on get my free account. Almost there. Now you need to check your email and confirm this. So now we are going to our email and this is our confirmation mail. Now let's click on this confirmation link. Now you need to enter a password and then click on I am not robot. Now let's click on save and there you go. So this is how you can make an account on System.io. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.